Salt-baked shrimp is a simple seafood dish that is loved for its fresh, natural flavors and incredibly easy preparation. Popular across many parts of Asia, this dish is a favorite for home cooks because it delivers restaurant-quality seafood with just a few ingredients. Today, Mini Spoon Asia will show you how to make this delicious salt-baked shrimp right in your own kitchen in only a few minutes. Start by rinsing 6 to 8 medium to large shrimp thoroughly under running water. Carefully trim away the sharp point on the shrimp heads to make them safer and more comfortable to handle while eating. Pour 1 full cup of coarse salt into a large frying pan, spreading it evenly across the bottom until the entire surface is covered. The layer of salt should be thick enough so the shrimp never touch the pan directly. Arrange the shrimp in a single layer on top of the salt, making sure they are evenly spaced. Drizzle rice wine over the shrimp to remove any seafood smell while adding a subtle aroma. Cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid and cook over medium heat. Once the shrimp have turned bright red and are fully cooked, remove them from the pan and serve immediately while they are still hot and juicy. To achieve the best results, always use fresh shrimp, as their natural sweetness is the highlight of this dish. Be careful not to overcook them, because shrimp become tough very quickly. A generous layer of coarse salt is important because it prevents the shrimp from touching the hot pan directly and helps distribute the heat evenly. The coarse salt can also be reused several times for future salt baking recipes. Just remember to top it up with a little fresh salt whenever the pan surface starts to become exposed. For this recipe, you will need 6 to 8 medium to large shrimp, approximately 400 grams, 10 milliliters of rice, wine, and 1 cup of coarse salt. The estimated total calories for the entire dish are approximately 420 calories. The estimated calories are approximately 105 calories per 100 grams. Salt-baked shrimp proves that great seafood doesn't need complicated ingredients or heavy sauces. Whether you are preparing a quick family dinner or serving guests, this simple dish is always an impressive choice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share it with your family and friends, give this video a like, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia for more easy and delicious Asian home cooking recipes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.